Kau ere te maunga, mōkau te awa, tainu te waka, Ngāti Manipoto te iwi. I live out at Angatiki here and work here at Waitomo at the Red Shed alongside Daniel Ormsby. I spend a lot of my school time drawing instead of doing schoolwork. But as soon as I left high school, I went straight to the wānanga o Toi Aro. It was the first year they offered the Māori Visual Arts program 25 years ago. Felt like a natural progression. Well, my cousin was a big part of the carving crew prior to the wānanga o Toi Aro. So he knew I was finishing school, so he just rang me up to come and do our art course because it was the first year it was being offered. So I just said, oh, okay, yes. As I said, as an expression, some of us can't do haka, some of us can't sing waiata, but some of us can carve and some of us can paint. It was just a natural progression for me. And my mother saw that and supported it. My mother was an artist, though she could draw. Never had courses to do that at the time, eh? Yeah. My first teacher was Leroy Transfield. He was the first tutor for the Māori Visual Arts course. And then he left, and then James Ormsby took over. I was lucky enough to spend some time with James Ormsby. And taught me the importance of hard work versus talent. Talent is good, but when you mix it with hard work, it just push you that extra sort of mile. Yeah, mahi is a big thing in my life. We're here 12 hours a day at least. I just can't stress how important mahi is, eh? If you want to be an artist, you've got to be doing the mahi. If you're not an artist, if you're not doing art. Well, it was a design brief when I was a tau to the wānanga. There's big piles of rubbish all over the wānanga at the time. And the design brief was to create a found objects, utilising pieces of rubbish around the wānanga. And I was learning about maurako and all these things, and pauwhenua stood out for me because it was a way of making a mark. It was a way of making a statement and just sort of drawing a line in the sand, making a mark on education and on the land, yeah.